Hello everyone. Okay, so in this video we're just going over the proof of the sine rule, right? So there are a few proofs of the sine rule. In this video we're looking at proving the sine rule via the area formula. So what we just need to do is we just need to draw a regular old triangle like so. Bing bong ding. So regular old triangle, we call this angle C, therefore this is side C, and I'm just going to say this is side A, therefore this is A, and then that's B, so this is B, angle B, therefore this is side B. So what do we need to do here? So we use my area of a triangle formula. So my area of a triangle formula is half AB sine C, where C is the angle between two sides. So if I have two sides and the angle chopped between them, I can find the area of any triangle. So just based off here, I know a half AB sine C. So we're looking at this portion. We have sides A and B, the chopped between angle C. That will be equal to a half CB sine A, right? And all we need to do here is you divide both sides by a half ABC. So divide both sides by a half ABC. So cancel out common terms. This half cancels here, this A cancels here, and this B cancels out here. Half cancels out here, B cancels out here, and the C cancels out here. So therefore, I'm left with sine C all over C equals sine A all over A. Therefore, we can say, we can flip and multiply these. So we can say C over sine C equals A over sine A. And then the same can be proven so the same can be proven for B over sine B. So therefore, we can do all this again. So basically, we could do all of this again, but we could do with angle C, but we don't need to repeat ourselves. So the same can be proven for B over sine C equals like A over sine A. Just make note of what it is. Therefore, A over sine A equals B over sine B is C over sine C. And therefore, we have proven the sine rule. So the thing for the sine rule is just very important that you know the area of a triangle formula, and then you just divide across by a half ABC. And that's all for the sine rule. I hope this video was some help to you guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.